Okay, so I just came across this rmcp system that's like a Swiss Army knife for data analysis. It can handle everything from regression to time series.
Wait, are you serious? A tool that covers all those statistical methods. That sounds too good to be true.
Right? One feature that blew my mind is the natural language formula builder. You basically describe what you need and it translates that into R code.
Wow, that's pretty neat. So it simplifies the process of creating complex statistical models. I can see that being a game changer.
Exactly, but I wonder, does that mean users might miss out on actually learning how R or the statistical methods work?
That's an interesting point. While it's super user-friendly, there's a chance it could encourage a surface-level understanding.
Exactly, like if you use it but don't understand the underlying concepts, isn't that somewhat risky?
Totally. Plus, imagine if someone gets a dashed-off result and doesn't bother to question the validity.
Right, speaking of validation, I saw it includes extensive error recovery features. That must help users troubleshoot more effectively.
Yeah, that's crucial. Having a system that can guide you on what's wrong makes a big difference.
But I guess we have to think about how effective that error recovery is in practice.
True, if it's not specific enough, users might still get lost. It's like having GPS but without accurate maps.
Exactly, and on top of that, their integration with visual analytics is pretty impressive. Plots generated in real time.
Interactive feedback in conversation. That's a smart move. But does that mean users get too dependent on visuals?
Good question. I mean, visuals are powerful, but too much focus on them can overshadow data interpretation skills.
Exactly. Balancing visuals with critical analysis is key to making informed decisions.
And they mention real-world scenarios being tested with 100% success. That's impressive, but makes me skeptical.
Right? It's a little extreme to claim absolute success. What are the limitations they're not talking about?
Exactly, they could have cherry-picked their examples. There's always some variability in real-world data.
And don't forget the context. What's successful in one situation might not hold up in another.
Totally. So do you think RMCP might create a generation of analysts who rely too heavily on tech?
It's possible. Unless users are careful, they could overlook foundational knowledge, which is essential.
Yeah, at the end of the day, tools like these should complement, not replace, solid statistical training.
Absolutely. And I'd hope institutions using RMCP also emphasize the principles behind the stats.
Totally, if they can strike that balance, it could lead to really insightful analyses.
Agreed. A combination of powerful tools and educated insights could transform data analysis.
But I wonder how they handle complex scenarios, like can their algorithms adapt?
Good point. Flexibility in analysis is crucial, especially for unique datasets or specific situations.
It'll be interesting to see if RMCP can evolve as analytics demand changes. What's your take?
I think if they can integrate adaptability and user education, they'll be onto something.
Exactly, it's all about learning together with the tools. That approach could really redefine data insights.
Plus, the collaborative aspect with users and tech might lead to innovative solutions we can't even predict.
Right? Who knows what new discoveries could emerge if more people understand the stats behind the data.
It's exciting to think of the possibilities, but let's just hope they prioritize education alongside tech.
Definitely, if RMCP leverages these tools wisely while emphasizing learning, it could be game-changing.
For sure. All right, I'm going to dive deeper into it and keep an eye out for its developments.
Same here, let's reconnect after we've both explored it further. There's so much to unpack.
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to our next chat.